What is up, YouTube? This is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys aren't subscribed to the channel already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today, I'm going to give you a customer testimonial. You guys know I'm out here in New York, New Jersey, highlighting tons of homes where we have shipped equipment, and our preferred partner, Wire Ninjas, have helped them out with either putting it in or they have DIY'd it. All right, let's check out this customer testimonial.
Hey, I reach out to Dreamedia. They're very helpful to, to plan out my basement and what kind of speakers I needed, what kind of AV I needed, and they help me for how to do wiring and all other stuff. And after bought all that equipment from them, and they recommended one of the guy in New Jersey. He came and he tuned all my equipment. Now this is awesome, they're very helpful, and their tech support is very helpful. And Zach, he personally texted me every step on my process for the better output. Thanks, Jack.
Yep.
Thanks, Dreamedia.
Awesome. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.
Just cruising through New Jersey. On to the next one.